Technology is such an integral part of our cities. On a daily basis, we use digital technology to pay our bills, call a cab, and access health services. Our cities use sensors to track energy and waste management. CCTVs monitor public spaces, and more recently, contact tracing apps were used to manage the COVID-19 pandemic. And these cities, or rather smart cities, are here to stay. But take a second look. Is the city smart for everyone? How easily can your elderly relative use her healthcare app to have online consultations? Are smart sensors implemented equitably across all neighborhoods? Do the tech companies of Google or Apple that design and implement smart solutions prioritize public needs over their private profits? My research questions how governments can design policies for smart cities that actually advance inclusive development. I answer this by exploring the perspective of both the governments and technology companies in three parts. First, I conduct a systematic literature review to understand the motivations behind adopting smart technologies and the barriers they present towards inclusive development. My results show that cities engage with technology to improve their efficiency and citizen engagement. But unless addressed, they present several ethical challenges of privacy and transparency, reduce regulatory control, and increase the digital divide. Secondly, to address the different approaches taken by tech companies, I trace their global patent applications and annual sustainability reports. I demonstrate how smart city innovations have moved from the early days of IBM to being currently dominated by communications technologies from Samsung and Huawei. I also show that these fast developing innovations are subject to a basic problem, where regulations lag far behind the technology, presenting a threat towards inclusive development. And lastly, I dissect the Smart Nation program in Singapore to explain how governments can manage inclusive development in smart cities. Singapore has reached into its policy toolbox to leverage pilot programs, deploy strategic public consultations, and apply controlled test spaces or sandboxes to preserve inclusive development while pursuing technological advancement. My thesis shows that governments can design smart city policies without compromising on inclusive development. By leveraging and calibrating selected tools from its policy toolbox, governments can design robust yet dynamic regulations for smart technologies. This would allow us to take full advantage of smart cities while providing for an efficient, equitable, and accessible environment for all. As I said before, smart cities are here to stay, and we must ensure that they include all of us. Thank you.